Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, July 31st, 2019. The time is 4:30 a.m. GMT. So for today, we will be updating the chart of the DAX. This is a 30 minutes chart. We can see right here, we got this with one here on July 4th, and then currently we are doing flat correction. We got a A in a three waves, A, B, C, and then we got a B, okay, another A, B, C, and then now we have a C that is unfolding in a five waves. Now we got a blue box here, and then right side is up, suggesting that we do not like selling and we favor more upside in the DAX. If you look at the larger time frame here, we could see from the 2018 low. This is a daily chart, by the way, and this is December 2018. We got what looks like a sequence of it continues to be a high sequence, and this one looks like a 1 2 3 4 5 of some sort here. So we got a 1 2, and then we got a new high, and as you can see, this is incomplete, has not reached the 100%. And so ideally then this pullback, this current pullback, ideally should hold above this previous low here, okay, which is on the June the 3rd. If you take a look at the 1 hour chart, you don't really see the June 3rd low, but technically this is where it should be holding if we are going to get extension to the upside in the DAX. Okay, so we also got this trend line over here, and ideally it really needs to stop here instead of dropping further and then starts to rally again. Now if it drops and close below this trend line here, now that makes it a little bit problematic, because then that could suggest the cycle is finished, right? And this can even become a flat here in the DAX. We can have an A, a B, and then this could be, you know, like a 1 2 3 4 5 like this, for example. Okay, so it is ideally it is ideal that the DAX does not break and does not close below this ascending trend line here for the bullish view to be holding up, and for the index to continue to resume the next leg higher. So now we have reached this blue box. Potentially, like I said, we could be already finishing this pullback even. I mean, you can count this as a WXY actually, right? This could be a W, this would be an X, and this could be E, B, C, and then it could end this with 2. So this leg lower doesn't need to happen, right? It doesn't have to happen, but we are calling another leg lower, and one of the reasons is because if you look at the correlated instrument, which is the Euro stocks, you can see the Euro stocks here, this rally here actually make a marginal high above the previous high, July the 3rd, right? Whereas in the case of the DAX, you can see here again, I'm just putting this A and B in the 1 hour chart. In the 4 hour here, A and B, you can see this B here does not really break above the July 3rd. So even though the DAX is okay to call it WXY, right, because it does not break above the previous high, so this could be a double zigzag, for example, right? It could be a double zigzag and end it here. We got an ABC, we got another ABC, doesn't need to make a new low. But if you look at the Euro stocks, that one does have a marginal high, so that one does look like a flat here, and so the Euro stocks then could see a 4 and a 5 here because of the flat, and that's why we are calling the DAX currently doing a 4 and a 5. Now again, I think it is still critical to for the DAX not to close below this trend line too much and starts to really rally pretty soon here. Again, like I said, if it breaks below and close below decisively, then there could be a chance that we could be correcting larger degree in the DAX, and this one, for example, instead of rallying from here, I mean, this could start to become a for example, a flat, like I've been saying, a flat, even a bigger flat here from here. So we can get a B, and then now we are in the C leg here to the downside. Okay, so that is the update. Now of course, for the updates, whether we change the count or not, you can always check our next update in our member area. We have 14 days free trial, and you can check us check our service. The link is provided. We also currently run a 50% summer promotion. I will provide the link also in the video description below, so you can also check this out as an opportunity to join. Alright, so thanks very much everyone, and see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day.